Free Nano Banana Pro on ImagineArt, a guide. The Nano Banana Pro is an effective image AI tool used by Google. It makes and transforms images through straightforward text. This technology attracts the attention of many creators. They often seek free access. ImagineArt will offer a solution. It incorporates Nano Banana Pro. In this guide, I will explain how the Nano Banana Pro can be used on the ImagineArt platform using a free version. You are going to know its features. You will also receive tips on how to come up with beautiful pictures. What is Nano Banana Pro? Nano Banana Pro is an ultra-modern image model. It is a product of Google DeepMind. It is also referred to as Gemini 3 Pro image model. It is a major improvement of the original Nano Banana. This new version has expanded features. It has a high-resolution output of up to 4K, like an effective text rendering engine that is able to write and read in numerous languages. Google search grounding is applied in the model. This gives objective accuracy to data-driven images. It is not just an image generator. It serves as a creative director. It transforms your text prompts into fancy, detailed visuals that are of high fidelity. The lighting, focus, and camera angles can be controlled. You are even able to combine several images in one composition. This power brings an unprecedented freedom of creativity. How to get Nano Banana Pro free. The official Nano Banana Pro service of Google can be restricted to direct access. The free users are usually limited. These are quotas and resolutions that are lower. Other platforms, such as ImagineArt, are an option. ImagineArt has implemented Nano Banana Pro. This enables the users to experience its functionalities. ImagineArt offers complimentary access on a limited credit basis. This allows you to put the model to the test. You can generate images. It is also possible to edit photos using natural language. It is an excellent way of trying the tool at no cost with a paid subscription. The free section is ideal for casual creators. It helps students learn. It enables professionals to test the technology without having to invest money. Creating a logo on ImagineArt. With ImagineArt, it is easy to apply Nano Banana Pro. The platform facilitates the creative process. Technical skills are not required. You do not have to know complicated software. It is easy to start with these easy steps. Step 1. Upload your image to begin with. Choose one of the photos that you desire to edit. Post it on the ImagineArt. This will be your base image. The system is on call to take your orders. Step 2. Describe your changes. You must then write down your instructions in the text box. Use plain, natural language. Talk about the changes that you would prefer. As an example, you might mention changing the background to a sunny beach or a red hat for the person. The AI knows what you want. Step 3. Generate and refine. Lastly, press the button to generate. Nano Banana Pro packages your request. It generates the photoshopped image in real time. You can review the result. You can narrow your prompt, should it be necessary. You also have the option of upscaling the picture to have a better quality picture. The entire process is quick. It is concentrated on your creative vision. Key features of Nano Banana Pro. Nano Banana Pro has a package of high-tech options. These applications allow designers to create professional pictures. They are not merely image generation. They offer an extensive editing experience. Natural language editing. This is a game changer as it allows the capability to edit with words. There is nothing like the need of layers or masks. You just tell the AI what to do. Remove an object, change an outfit, adjust the lighting. This model puts your text into perspective. It puts the changes into application. This user-friendly workflow is time-saving. It has made photo editing open to all. High-fidelity output in visual content, quality holds the most importance. Nano Banana Pro provides high-resolution and crisp images. It renders realistic effects. The realism reduces the issues of revisions. This productivity is useful to practitioners. It is applicable in such industries as e-commerce, marketing, and design. Consistency of character and style. Branding is important as it needs consistency. This is of importance in storytelling. Nano Banana Pro does this very well. It does not change the identity of characters and objects in various edits. In case you are working in a series of images, there is consistency in the style. This benefits a harmonious and professional appearance of your projects. Factual accuracy and search grounding. One of the peculiarities is its relationship with Google Search. Nano Banana Pro is able to reach real-time information. This enables it to make visuals that are factual. It is possible to create infographics with the help of existing data. You are able to create diagrams as educational purposes. This ability fills the gap of creativity and verifiable knowledge. Timely advice to achieve better outcomes. It all depends on the input in producing the quality of your output. A prompt is well developed and directs the AI. It assists in creating the very image you have in your mind. Specific directions result in improved outcomes. Begin with a simple structure. Start with gist prompting. Add the subject, light, and style. The AI has a solid base given its clear structure. Observe, a robot waitress, neon lights, cinematicism. Direct and short prompts tend to work well. Add specific details after that. Add details on a good base. Get your timing down to details. Talk of the textures, colors, and the camera angles. Examples: glossy robot barista, blue neon lights, wide-angle shot in the movie. Such information assists the model to know more about you and your vision. Describe relationships. The interaction of objects is clearly defined. This assists the AI to produce a natural harmony. Rather than being dog's surfboard sign, use the phrase a dog balancing on a surfboard under a neon sign. This reduces errors by virtue of space context. It creates a better coherent image. Avoid contradictions. Machine learning can be challenged by contradictory directions. Contradicting styles should not be combined. To illustrate, a realistic drawing, a flat and in a vector format, is confusing. Choose a primary style. You are able to melt a secondary influence. An example of a prompt could be a digital portrait of oil painting texture. Limitations to consider. Nano Banana Pro has a few limitations, as good as it is powerful. ImagineArt will have limits on the credit limits of free users. This limits what number of images you can produce. The free level could also be limited in resolution. Plans are usually paid to obtain greater resolutions and credits. The images produced through the AI tools of Google have a digital watermark. This is called Synth ID. It is an invisible indicator of verification of a source. It assists in the recognition of content produced by AI. This enhances openness in online media. A new era for visual creation. Nano Banana Pro on ImagineArt is not merely a tool. It is a change in the creative processes. It democratizes image editing of the high end. Any person can now create visuals of a studio quality. You just need an idea. All you have to do is the words to describe it. The technology makes a new breed of creators. The speed of designing campaigns has increased among marketers. Learners can construct powerful presentations. The artist can experiment with novel visual styles. Professional design has been made easy to enter. The future of visual content does not lie in the ability to use complicated software. It is regarding the clarity of vision. It has to do with how well you can verbalize it. Nano Banana Pro is what stands in between the imaginary to the final image.